Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Drea. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about this bag right here. This is the Hermes Mini Evelyne. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So I purchased this bag in October of 2023. So it's almost been 2 years of owning this bag. This is noir with gold hardware and it is in Clemence leather. With the bag, you get the removable strap, but it is not adjustable. This strap is not adjustable, so if you are taller than me, I feel like this bag will hit you at a great spot if you wear it crossbody, but I am 5'5". It does not hit me in a good spot. It hangs way too low in my opinion, so if you are shorter than me, please be mindful of that. If you are taller than me, I think this will look really good on you. So since it's too long on me, I do not wear it with this strap, so I always remove it. So I wear this bag like this with the chain from the mini bum bag from Louis Vuitton, and I feel like this just changes the whole look of the bag. Like this is so cute now because I do not like the feeder bag look of this bag. I know you guys, I know the backstory. I know Hermes is an equestrian brand. I get all that. But I feel like this bag with the crossbody gives too much feeder bag. Like that, I just can't unsee it. Like I know that's what it's supposed to be, but it just looks too much like that. Especially the bigger sizes in my opinion. I feel like the bigger this bag gets, the more feeder bag it looks. So when you attach a different strap to this bag, it just gives it a whole different look. So initially I saw this bag on Instagram and the girl had a Twilly as the shoulder strap and I thought that was just so cute. So I just love how you can change the look of this bag. But at one point I did wear this bag with the original strap that it comes with, and again it just hung too low, too feeder bag looking, just not the vibe that I was going for, and that's okay. Gotten so many compliments on this bag just because of the strap, I swear. Like so many people are like, is that one Hermes bag? And I'm like, yes honey, it's so cute. I don't own any bags that are black with gold hardware, so for a long time this was my go-to and I loved it so much. But I do have to say that after using this bag for almost 2 years, I'm just not a small bag girly, you guys. I am BBE. I am big bag energy. Period. And this bag is just too small. I carry way too much stuff in my bag. I have too many essentials that I need. The last time I wore this bag, I was at the mall. It was my first vlog. And I took this into the mall and all of my things were overflowing. Your bag overflowing is a huge no-no. Like I'm so shocked that I didn't lose anything. And this bag is just like wide open. Like this little tab, this is doing nothing, you guys. So this bag is unfortunately on the chopping block for me just because I'm not a small bag girl. I tried to get with the trend, and I don't even know if I'm late to the debate about Hermes, but I've finally decided, you guys, to just stop playing the Hermes game. I played it since the beginning of 2022 when I bought my first Arans, and I understand the whole backstory, the craftsmanship, the exclusivity. Like I get all that. I bought into it. I was all for it. I was like, hell yeah, I want all this Hermes. I want it. Don't really love the brand that much. I love the Birkin, love the Kelly, the Birkin 30 in either Togo or Clemence in the noir with silver hardware. I feel like that's just the Drea bag. And I just can't keep buying things just to buy them, just to eventually get a bag. I was offered a Birkin 35 in a taupish gray color that was just not me. And 35 was a little bit too big in my opinion. I always thought I was a Birkin 35 girl, but I have realized I'm a Birkin 30 girl. And I also was offered a Kelly 28, but when I looked at the picture, it gave me the vibes of that little play doctor bag. It was like a toy. I don't know if you guys had it. I'll put the picture. It gave me the vibes of that. I really wish I would have went into the store to look at that bag because about a month later I was in Vegas and I saw a lady wearing that bag. Loved how it looked on her. I wholeheartedly understand why people just buy pre-loved Birkins, Kellys, Constance, whatever Hermes bag, because it's just after a while it's not worth it to keep playing the game. Like I bought the blanket that I wanted. I bought dishes. I bought sandals. I bought scarves. I bought all kinds of things. Rings, ring. I bought rings, earrings, and it's just like, what else? Like, I'm not really in love with the brand. I'm in love with the Birkin. So I am just personally not playing the game anymore, you guys. Please let me know your thoughts on the Hermes game. Did you play it? How long did you play it? Did you get your dream bag? Buy pre-loved and get your dream bag? Like, please let me know. Please tell me what I should do, because there's so many Birkins and Kellys that I want. So let's go through this. I really would love the black with silver. I would really love an orange and gold hardware, either Birkin or Kelly. I think, I die. I still want a purple Birkin, but I want the one that Cardi B has. I'll insert the pictures. Just so many bags that I want. Yeah, I just can't do it anymore, you guys. Buying to buy, we're just not that girl anymore. And I get the pre-loved. I used to be like, I'll never buy a pre-loved bag. I'll never do consignment. And never say never. So back to this bag. So this is the current bag that I am carrying right now. This is my Chanel boy bag. So we're going to take this bag and fill it with my essentials. So number one, if I am driving, I need my car keys. So this is my Louis Vuitton key clay. So this goes in. So now the key pouch can double as your wallet, because if you put this in like I did, you waste a lot of space, but we're gonna just do it for the video. So I put my wallet in there. So I have really bad allergies, the point where my nose runs, my eyes run. Oh, it's just a mess. So I need these. Always have my AirPods just to listen to music or talk on the phone. The more you stuff this bag, if you can tell that it is kind of getting out of its shape a little bit. So see, things do fit, but we're getting a little wonky. The more we put into it, so now here we go, we're falling. Too many things. This is too small of a bag for my essentials. Yes, do I need all of these things? No. And do I need other things that aren't in this bag? Yes. So yes, the more you pack this bag, the more you run the risk of things falling out. And when I last took this bag out, everything was falling out. I'm so shocked I didn't lose anything. And then like if I want to fix my hair and all that, like look, now I need my hand cream, my hair stuff. No, like look at this. This is, we can't walk around with our bag like this. Too many things are missing out of this bag for this to be okay. This is probably as much as you can fit in here, and that's just not enough for me. Also, where's my phone? I don't even know where my phone is. So here's my phone, and then put your phone in here. I completely forgot, you guys. I don't even know what I'm doing. But once you put your phone in here too, then you're done. I will say that the leather is holding up very nicely, and that is one pro about this bag. If you are a small bag girly, you can get away with this bag. I'm just not, so that's why she has to leave the collection. So I would love to know your thoughts on the Hermes Mini Evelyne. Also, let me know if you are a big bag girl or if you are a small bag girl. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me your comments down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.